A very good evening to all the viewers of this program watching us today. That now I would like to say something about our Andesri, Dr. Andesri Garu. Today morning I went to Red Cross Society on a little bit of work related to medical work. Then when I opened my cell phone there, I observed the death of sudden demise of Andesri Garu. So really immediately I stood up and I observed 2 minutes of silence. So that was the morning I observed. So now I would like to say about him. Andesri is a great writer, Telangana poet, lyricist, and the singer of people who dedicated his total life to the people of Telangana. In agitation, Telangana agitation, he fought very well by his literature. Now his song Jai Jai Ho Telangana, still it lingers in the ears of all Telugu known people. Everybody knows it. And he was born in the year 1961, but there is no specific date of birth, because in interviews he himself informed that I have no specific date of birth, it was not recorded. So today morning when I watching TV, I observed that 18th July, but it is not correct. He himself revealed in the interview, so many interviews, that he has no date of birth, exact date of birth, but year is 1961. So he is very remarkable and very great poet. Everybody can witness it. By his agitation only, by his participation only in Telangana agitation, that our Telangana has come by his most of his participation. So I felt very mourn on listening about the sudden demise of our Andesri Garu. It is very great loss to Telugu known people, all poets. He is not a simple poet. He is a lesson to all. I mean that not only common people, but also a renowned poets. He is a lesson, good lesson. How he struggled. He was an orphan. He was an orphan. So by that stage, he developed his literature. Most of his literature contains Sanskrit words. That is the greatness of him. Most of his literature contains Sanskrit words. That is the greatness, because he is illiterate. Though he is illiterate, by the power of his mind, he developed such a literature. So he has been given so many universities doctorates from so many universities. Our Kakatiya University has given, and our Usman University has given doctorate. And he is such a great person. Really, it is a great loss to everyone. So I think that he will be in the paradise amidst the renowned poets, and he will be there in paradise with his literature. I think my hope is like that. So he's a great person. Once thank you one and all for listening to this. Thank you one and all.